love you so much. I wish I was there with you guys. And I hope you have safe travels back to the Philippines. Tell Tata I miss him and I love him. Happy birthday. Have so much fun. I love you.
Happy birthday! Mayroong nag-happy natin. Makapit ang pagkaon sa inyong kinandang pagkaon. Inawat nga tagaan ka pa daghan pang mga birthday na mabot sa inyong kinabot.
Hi Nana, happy birthday. Wish you continued happiness and great health.
Hi Ate, happy birthday. Hope you have a good one. And enjoy your day.
Hi Nana! Ate Lani! Happy 70th birthday! Akong wish nimo nga unta tagaan kag maayong panglawas sa Ginoo and more blessings and more years to come. Happy birthday! I love you and I miss you.
Hi Lani! Happy 70th birthday! We miss you here at Solon, but I just wanna greet you a happy birthday, and I just wanna encourage you with this scripture in the Bible, Ecclesiastes 11, verse 8 says, however many years anyone will live, let them enjoy them all. Okay, so of course, with the help of the Lord, continue to trust in the Lord because He is true to His promises. And may God continue to bless you, protect you, you and your husband. Okay, God bless you and enjoy your special day. God bless you. Bye bye.
Birthday Lani! Wala bang litsundan? Magdala ka naman dito. Okay, happy birthday ulit. Ayun. Sino mo nga? Hi Lani! Happy birthday! More blessing, more good health, and more blessings to you. Bye-bye!
Okay, God bless.
Hello, Lani! Malipayon og happy birthday, day! Gimingaw na kami sa imo. Padala mi litsyon na. Balik ka Inilagay sa kasusun. Magpayo ay birthday niya. Gawin lang kung malipayo ay hindi pa ka. Bye-bye. Happy birthday!
Ito, stream mo meron na.
Ay, stream tayo! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, your 70th birthday. Sana maligaya kayong lahat dyan at sama-sama. More birthday to come. God bless you. The Lord is give you more blessing. And thank you.
Hi, Lali! Kamusta ka na dyan? We wish you here in Stoneland. Happy birthday! Happy 70th birthday! And enjoy your birthday with your family. And we wish you here. And sana makita ulit din tayo sa Pilipinas. Okay? Okay, enjoy! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nani. Enjoy your day. And miss ka na namin dito. Kumusta na rin kay Tatay. Bye. Enjoy your